Let me ask you a hard question. How many times have you promised yourself, tomorrow I'll study seriously? Tomorrow came, and you still didn't study. Not because you're stupid, not because you're lazy, but because no one taught you how discipline actually works. Discipline is not motivation. Consistency is not talent. They are systems. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to build them, step by step. If you struggle to sit down and study, if you start strong but don't last, if exams scare you because deep down you know you didn't prepare, this video is for you. Watch till the end, because what you'll learn here can change your academic life forever. Most students think discipline means forcing yourself to study for hours. That's wrong. Discipline is not about punishment. It's about alignment. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your brain is designed to avoid pain and chase comfort. So when studying feels hard, confusing, boring, overwhelming, your brain says, let's do this later, and later becomes never. The problem is not that you don't want success. The problem is that your environment, habits, and mindset are fighting you. Until you fix that, motivation will always disappear. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when it's boring, uncomfortable, or inconvenient. But here's the secret. Disciplined students don't rely on willpower. They rely on structure. They don't ask, do I feel like studying today? They ask, what is scheduled? When studying becomes a decision, you will skip it. When it becomes a routine, you will follow it. That's the difference. Here's something powerful. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your identity. If you see yourself as, I'm not serious, I'm inconsistent, I study only during exams, your actions will follow that belief. So, the first shift is identity. Stop saying, I'm trying to study. Start saying, I am a disciplined student, even when it doesn't feel true yet. Every time you sit down to study, even for 20 minutes, you are casting a vote for that identity. Small actions, repeated daily, create unstoppable consistency. Here's how to create a study system that works. 1. Set clear, specific study. Goals read chemistry is not a goal. It's a wish. A real goal sounds like, study acids and bases for 40 minutes and solve 10 questions. Your brain works better with clarity. Vague goals create procrastination. Specific goals create action. 2. Use time blocking. Don't study whenever you feel like it. Choose fixed study times, same place, same time. Every day, your brain learns patterns. Soon, when you sit in that place at that time, your brain automatically switches to study mode. That's discipline without stress. 3. Start small, very small. Most students fail because they aim too big. They say, I'll study for 5 hours today. They last 30 minutes, then quit for a week. Instead, start with 20 minutes every day. Consistency beats intensity. It's better to study 20 minutes daily for 6 months than 6 hours once a week. There will be days you feel tired, bored, unmotivated. That's normal. Consistency doesn't mean feeling good every day. It means showing up anyway. Here's a rule successful students use. Never miss twice. If you miss one day, fine, but never allow 2 days in a row. 1 day off is rest. 2 days off is a habit forming. Protect your streak. Your phone is not neutral. It is designed to steal your attention. A disciplined student doesn't rely on self-control. They remove temptation. Phone on airplane mode, notifications off social media deleted during exams out of sight, out of mind. You can't fight distraction forever, but you can design your environment. Studying is not just academic, it's mental. There will be moments when you don't understand anything. You feel behind, you want to quit. In those moments, remember this. Feeling uncomfortable means you're growing. Confusion is not failure. It's part of learning. Stay in the discomfort long enough. Clarity will come. Discipline without rest leads to burnout. After studying, take a break. Reward yourself. Sleep well. Rest is not laziness, it's recovery. A disciplined student knows when to work and when to recharge. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for motivation. Discipline comes after action, not before. The moment you sit down and start, even when you don't feel like it, you win. And if you keep winning small battles daily, your academic life will change completely. You don't need to be gifted. You don't need to be the smartest. You just need to be consistent. Start today. Start small. Stay disciplined. Your future self is watching and counting on you. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with a student who needs this message. Your discipline starts now.